Emotional message is what I'm picking up. But I'm also picking up a strong message that there's a love news, balitang pag-ibig na paparating sa'yo. Ano kaya tong balita, no? Na headline, no? Sa dyaryo ng buhay mo, no? Doon sa love life area, diba? So, alamin natin yan. O, tingnan mo. We have here this beautiful Ace of Pentacles energy. Something stays, something stable, something permanent, something solid. Okay? I do see love news. Ano kaya tong balitang pag-ibig na paparating sa'yo? At tingin ko, kung ano man tong balitang pag-ibig na paparating sa'yo, umpisa na to, no, ng kakaiba at talagang panibagong simula, no, sa iyong love life. Yan, no? You're now holding that big ace of coin kanina nakita natin. Diba? You could love rabbits or you could be having here fur pets. Could be any kind. Okay? Just take how this resonates. You look tough from the outside but soft in inside, no? So let's see. What is this nose? For I'm seeing here, I'm picking up messages pero coming from different sides. Like there's a message coming here, there's a message coming here. So you could be receiving here a message, invitation. It might be two, dalawa. Let's see. Two or more would do. Just take how this reso. Okay, just take how this resonates. Okay. Let's see. What is this news sa pag-ibig para sa'yo? No. Options in love? You've got two, but for others, you've got more than two. But there are two energies standing out in this reading. Let us clear all the energies first before we talk more about this. You have options in love, but I do see you not really talking about this with other people. Okay? Kahit sa iyong best friend or malapit na friend or malapit na someone, you're just trying to make a decision right here na sarili mo lang yung gusto mo na nasandalan, no? Gusto mo mag-rely sa sarili mong decision right here. That's why you're keeping it a secret. Okay? With the High Priestess right at the heart of your reading. And I do see na may desisyon ka na or magkakaroon ka ng desisyon. Remember, this is timeless. Maaring tapos na sa iba, maaring hindi pa at isang prediction naman for others at maaring sa iba nangyayari sa present moment or sa kasalukuyan. So, hi and hello there collective. Thank you so much for your warm love and support. Hi and hello new subscribers, tuloy po kayo, no? At kung interested pa kayong lahat mga babes, no, na tumambay sa iba pang mga channels, ang mga links ay nasa description box. Okay, wala tayong gender, by lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome here. You have your free will at the end of the day. Malaya kayong gamitin. Yan. So here, with this, Two of Coins energy and the Lovers, I do see na kung sino man tong energies na nahagip natin ngayon, you have options when it comes to love. There are two standing na mga energies rito, no, sa iyong reading. Yan, okay? I do see that you've thought about this for quite a long time or recently, pinag-iisipan mo na 'to, kung anong klaseng desisyon yung gagawin mo, okay? It's not just a matter of the heart, pero ikaw 'to na gumagawa ng desisyon, may balanse, desisyon na nagmumula sa puso, desisyong nagmumula 'no, sa isipan 'no, sa iyong soul at sa iyong intuition. So, nakita ko na ang desisyon na 'to 'no, ay talaga naman na desisyon na alam mo na makabubuti para sa'yo. Usaping pag-ibig ang nakikita natin dito for you guys. Pipiliin mo with the Queen of Cups energy, Lovers, and there's this Two of Coins. Pipiliin mo ang tao dito na alam mo na masusuklian ang pagmamahal mo at posibleng mahalin ka pa ng higit pa sa inaasahan mo. Kung sino man tong energy na 'to, nakikita ko na ang pipiliin mo ay walang iba kundi ang bagong tao na paparating or dumating na sa buhay ninyo. Uulitin ko na maaaring ito ay tapos na or nangyari na sa iba ay nangyayari sa kasalukuyan, at yung iba maaaring paparating pa lamang itong tao na tinutukoy ko. Kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to mga babes, so nakikita ko na may pagmamahal itong tao na 'to sa'yo at magkakaroon rito ng pagmamahal ang person na 'to para sa'yo 'no. And yes, I do see that this is the person you've manifested, that kind of person that you want to enter your life. Yeah. So nakita ko rito that the other energy is your past lover here. I do not know what you have gone through with this person, but I do see that this is something here that that caused you so much pain in the past. Pero lumalabas pa rin siya bilang option dito kasi strongly siyang kumakapit sa iyong energy. A past person will soon come back to your life trying to win your heart once again. So lumalabas siya bilang isang competitor dito. But the new person here will never let na manalo itong past person over you. Kaya naman gagawin niya rito yung very best niya to prove to you that his or her intentions are solely talaga namang magmumula sa kanyang puso, no? At malinis ang intention niya sa'yo. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to na wala naman talaga siyang, um, alam na buong detalye about your past, pero merong sigurong konti 'no, siyang alam about this, lalo na kung nakuwento mo or makikwento mo sa kanya. Pero kung sino man 'to 'no, it's like it's not important what your nakaraan is with this person. Ang importante is yung present moment, okey? Parang this person here will do everything para siya yung ma-notice mo, okey? We're talking about the new person. Gagawin ng new person 'no, ang lahat para ma-notice mo siya over the past person. Why? Because this person here is trying to save you from the past person. Because for some reason, I'm picking up na alam niya na yung past person mo is nagdulot ng pain sa'yo in the past while you are in connection with your past lover before. But you know, you're choosing this new person here, okay? Not because he or she knows your nakaraan, okay? You're choosing this person because you love this person. At may sinasabi ka rito eh, okay? May sinasabi ka rito na parang, this person, this new person here, save your life. Yan, no? Pero alam mo, mas nakikita ko rito, you, yourself, save you. Ikaw ang nagligtas sa sarili mo by choosing this new person to enter or to stay in your life. This person did not save you, but you yourself save you from choosing, okay? I mean by choosing this new person instead of the past one. So yeah. So you're making a decision right here. At kung ano yung desisyon na gagawin mo, ikaw ang nagligtas sa sarili mo dahil pinili mo ang bagong tao na 'to. Bakit may pagliligtas na pinag-uusapan diyan, Miss Yan? 'Yan 'no. Ako ba ay maho-hold up or what? Or ako ba ay, kikidnapin or what 'no, wala namang gano'n mga babes. Pero dito 'no, this person will try to save you from the person who did hurt you from the past, 'yan 'no. So this new person here, whether he or she fully knows your nakaraan, it doesn't matter. Eh, ang importante rito is 'wag kang makabalik sa lumang tao. So nakikita ko rito na may point or may tama dito 'no, na sinasabi. Kasi 'pag bumalik ka with the past person, with the Seven of Wands energy, there's this, Five of Cups and Nine of Wands. I do see na, babalik ka lang ulit sa pagiging malungkot at alam mo yung pag-aawayan niyo ulit, yung parehas na na paikot-ikot na topic na hindi ninyo maalisan ng iyong ex before, yun at yun ulit yung pag-aawayan ninyo, yun at yun ulit ang magiging issue ninyo. So walang pag-andar na positibo, lahat ay pagbalik lamang sa nakaraan at mauulit lamang 'no, yung mga bagay rito na ginawa niya sa'yo noon. So it's an ending cycle here, you know. So you did really save yourself by choosing this new person, okay, over the past person right here. I'm seeing you investing. I'm seeing you imagining your life in the future together with this new person, and I'm seeing you diving full card energy with this Two of Cups, Seven of Coins, and High Priestess. This is you. You're choosing here someone new because you will definitely feel this person's presence, that he or she is the one you've manifested all your life. So I do see that if you choose, I think you already know this, that if you choose to go back to the past person, mapapagod ka ulit, ang hindi mamatay-matay ni issues at mga concerns, ayun ulit ang pagtatalunan at pag-aawayan. It's like an ending cycle here. Pagod 'no, to go back in that type of situation 'no. You wanna move forward here, you wanna be in a relationship na aalagaan ka, iha-handle with so much care ang iyong heart because he or she knows that your heart is so fragile. Someone that will definitely love you more than you love him or her, and that's the new person. Ace of Pentacles energy, Knight of Swords, Ten of Cups. I'm seeing you preparing this beautiful confession because you're preparing to give this new person here your answer, that you're choosing him over the past person because he or she is really far more deserving than the other person. Okay? So I do see that this is you. You really did save you. Yeah. Sinave mo ang sarili mo. Okay? Sa pamamagitan ng pagpili mo sa bagong taong dumating or paparating sa buhay mo. Wow, you're really a big girl now. You're a big boy now. You're really grown up here. You matured enough. So nakita ko na marami kang natutunan, no? Lalo na sa pag-ibig na area ng buhay mo. Ang taong pinipili mo ay ang taong higit na magmamahal sa'yo sa kung paano mo siya makikitang mahalin at ipagpapatuloy niya ito hanggang sa kailanman, hanggang sa non-stop, hanggang sa unlimited, hanggang sa kailanman, 'di ba? So kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, this is your forever here, sweetheart. Wow! So yeah, clean. Yeah, I'm seeing number 12. So that could be significant to you. Maybe someone's special day or maybe birth date. Whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates. But when you add 1 plus 2, you will get number 3. And 3 is the spiritual, powerful number of balance. So ano man ang magkakaroon sa inyong dalawa, may balance. At kung sino itong makikita mo, it's a total reflection of you. How you handle things, you mirror each other here. Okay, this person handles situation just like how you handle it. Okay, you will definitely see yourself. You will definitely find yourself with this person. Okay, so yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweetheart. Thank you so much for your time and 사랑해요, love and light. 안녕.